And now grabbed by Rask. At the line. And now Rask has it again. Now centered Versteeg, wide open, great right pad save by Elliott on Slavin, who walked in. And now Slavin, the rookie, and he moves it in behind the goal. And then Lindholm in front, Slavin wide open, glove save by Elliott. This time they tried to go upstairs, and he got the glove up. Eddie Lack, the former Canuck. And now Victor Rask on to center. Chris Butler turns it the other way. Hard pass, now Reeves in for Brodziak, and a shot, and a save by Lack, and it just trickled wide. He battles for the puck along with Laterra, and Jori Laterra. Outlet feed now for Tarasenko. Goalless in 3. He goes wide, and a shot up high, and a save by Lack rather. Yeah. And now Parayko for Butler. His pass picked off at center. Nestorov comes in 3-on-2. And now in front. And now a shot. Rebound. They score. Skinner wide open. And it's 1-0 Carolina. And now Bertuzzo. Stripped to the puck by Versteeg in front. And Elliott again. A big save on Lindholm as the Hurricanes have come out storming here in the second. And up in the air, Laterra keeps it moving for the Blues. Now Brouwer. Berglund back of the goal. Can't get it. Good hold in by Parayko. McClement can't get off. Now Pietrangelo. And a drive and a save by Lack. That's a great chance. Here's Eric Staal to Versteeg, a drive. Blocked by Elliott. And then Lindholm, a drive. And turned away. Darren, you talked about the coverage in the Blues zone. It has not been good in the second period. And then cleared but not out. Shattenkirk couldn't get much on it. And then a drive by Slavin. Tip wide. Slavin again with 20 to go in the power play. And then Pesce, and he scores! From the left point, Pesce makes it 2-0.
I get it. I've got big ears.
And the face-off controlled. McGinn a shot. And Brock McGinn makes it 3-0. Right off the face-off. And the Blues now down by 3. Here's Fabry, great movement on goal. Save, Edmondson the rebound. Another shot, Laterra. And Laterra makes it 3-1. Then Backes in behind the goal. Lyles again. That's cut off by Shattenkirk. And now Hainsey, long stretch pass. Springing his man, and a shot, and they score. Nash makes it 4-1. Riley Nash on a great play.